Hey everybody, so a lot of people that have been having a lot of trouble doing the noble gas notation, so I figured I'd make this video to kind of show you how to do it or review how to do it before the test. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this first practice problem. It says, what is the noble gas notation for Cl? It's not Ci, it's Cl. So the noble gas notation is just an easy way to abbreviate things so that we don't have to write out 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We don't have to just keep going and going and going. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to find Cl on the periodic table. So I've got my colored periodic table here. And Cl, if you'll notice, is right here. It's number 17. Alright, so we found Cl on the periodic table. So now we want the noble gas notation for Cl. Cl's right here. We're going to go to the noble gas that is on the row before it. So chlorine is on the third row here. So we're going to go to the noble gas on the row before it. And the noble gases, if you didn't know this, is this entire column right here. So this whole column, these are the noble gases. Alright? So this whole column, noble gases. Okay? So what you're going to do is we found chlorine. We're going to go to the noble gas on the row before it, which would be neon. And we're going to write it in braces like this. So we're going to go brace and E, close the braces. Alright, and then we're going to write the electron configuration for what comes after Ne. So a lot of you on the quiz yesterday, you were writing, you're just starting over, you're starting back down at 1s. But 1s is all the way up here. And we've already moved on, we're in 2p right now with neon. So you're just going to write what comes after neon. So neon is number 10 here. We're going to go to number 11, which is 3s. 1, 2, so it's going to be 3s2. Okay. Then we're going to keep going, and since there is no 2d, we're going to follow it over. We're going to go 3p. And then count over until we reach chlorine. Alright, so we're at 3p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 3p, 5. And another good way to check yourself is neon is right here. It's number 10. Alright, so neon has 10 electrons, plus 2 from here, plus 5 from here, equals 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17. Alright, and if you look on the periodic table, what number is chlorine? I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's number 17, so we've done it correctly. Alright, so again, you're going to find whatever element you're looking for on the periodic table. Then you're going to find the noble gas that comes on the row before it. Remember, the noble gases are these in this last column here. And then you're going to write what comes after it. Remember, don't go back to the beginning with 1s. It has to be whatever comes after that noble gas. Alright, so it says, what is the noble gas abbreviation for manganese? And manganese is Mn. Alright, so we're going to look up Mn on the periodic table. And it might take you a second to find it, but it's right here. So Mn is right here. Alright, it's number 25. So if Mn is right here, it is on the 4th row. Alright, so we're going to look at the row before it. So the noble gas that comes on the row before it is actually Ar. So we're going to put Ar in braces like so. Alright, and then we're going to write the electron configuration for what comes after Ar. So if Ar is right here, it's at the end of 3p. We move on to 4s. So 4s is going to be 1, 2. So I'm going to put 4s2. And then after that, we're going to count over into 3d, however many it is. So here's 3d, so we'll write 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3d, 5. Okay? And again, to check ourselves, we can count or add them together. So Ar is right here, and it is number 18. So we're going to do 18 plus 2 from here. plus 5 from here. So 18 plus 2 is 20, plus 5 equals 25. All right, if we look on the periodic table, manganese Mn is actually number 25. So we've done this correctly. All right, so these are the noble gas notations. And remember, once you get to the noble gas, you don't start over, you just keep going. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.